Alright guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to share with you guys my opinion about if you want to start a YouTube journey, if you want to start your own YouTube channel. I suggest you start with anything. Yes, anything. Don't be overthinking. Don't be, wow, what should I gonna do? What content I have to create? What editing and so on. I literally say to you, start with anything. Literally anything. Just let it go. Okay, it's anything and let it go. What's on your mind, and then what is your daily lives, what your hobbies like now, and perhaps your daily activity, your jobs to do, or your the toys you just purchased. Literally anything. It is important for you to keep up with the schedule to upload consistently. Okay, you're not a good artisan, you're not a good big name that must be do a concept, do a sketch, do a scripting before take a shot to upload to YouTube. You are just common people just like me. You are just very low people just like me. So make sure first thing first you have to do upload anything to make up your mentality, to grow your nerve to upload on YouTube. Just like me here, actually I don't have any ideas to upload today, so I just what on my thought and I share with you. I take the video, no editing, upload it, get just type in the title, the description, and so on. That's it. I just upload anything to make up my mentality, and hopefully in the next 3 months or 6 months I could get the traction, what content that should I continue, what content that I should drop off, and so on. That's important. Okay, this is the first thing you have to do. Just start with anything. Later in the next 3 months or 4 months or 6 months, you should take a look the analytics of your channel, and then over there a lot of data you could tweak on it and start to thinking what content you should create. Simple. Start with anything. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.